So today's class we have to learn about the walls. Already we have learned how to draw the walls, right? When you go to the wall, you will be seeing here many walls, but now we need to learn how can we create this type of wall. So to create this type of, first we need to know about what is this wall. Wall in Revit, normally we have three types of families. One is system family, loadable families, and in place family. So wall is coming under the system family. That means you cannot create from scratch. You have to select which is one existing one, then you need to make the changes. So basically you can see here, currently you can see I have one wall here. I choose this wall, or I selected the wall, then go to the edit type, and you can see how this wall is with many layers. You click here edit, you can see here, this is the way we create the architecture wall, right? But this wall was there, I just selected and I used the wall. But what we need to learn, how can we create our own wall with our own materials and layers. So for this you go to the level 1 and you can select one existing wall. I select the wall, then you go to the maybe I select here 200 mm wall, then once you select that wall, you go, we selected one wall, then go to the edit type. You can select here duplicate, and I'm giving here wall 101, any name you can give, then click OK. Then go to the edit. Here you can see section and you can see the floor plan. Now you are seeing this is the floor plan view of your wall and this is the section view of your wall. I select the floor plan. Then I change here the structural material is concrete material. I choose here concrete material. This is my structural material, and I give here 80 mm thickness. Okay. Then after this I insert one more layer here, move up above the core boundary, and I change that into finish 1 of 5, and I click here and I choose gypsum wall board over here. Select the gypsum and I give here 20 mm thickness, and the same thing I just wanted to create it here again. So I click here insert, then go to the down. It has to be placed after the core boundary. So again I change that into finish 104. Then the material you can choose gypsum wall board, and I give here again 20. So what is your wall thickness now? 80 plus 20 plus 20, 120. Then finish, I click insert and I click over here finish 205, which you can consider as a last finish. Then I click here and I choose here cherry or any other material, and that material thickness I give 15. Then here also insert, move down, I select here finish 205. Then we have to choose from here some other wood material. I select anything, let's say I select here wood teak, any material, basically you can choose anything, it's fine. Okay, then that thickness we given over here 15. So you can see your total wall thickness is 150 now. Then click OK. Okay, then I'm just going to draw a wall here. I just draw the wall, and currently my detail level is minimum, which is called coarse. If I change that into fine, you will be able to see that layers over here. So anyway, I'll keep that as a coarse. Then I will go to the 3D. When you go to the 3D, you can see that it's there. You can select it and you press space and you can see that if you wanted to change the orientation, you can select your wall and you can press space, so the orientation will be changed. Yeah, that's fine. I have to choose it a little bit down. I select this one and I select and I kept over there, then okay, because it's there. Now next what I want, I need to split this horizontally. I need to split the material. So I select the wall, go to the edit type, make sure, okay, you go to the edit, see here, now you are in the floor plan view, so you can see all these options are deactivated. If you click over here and you do sections, all these options are activated. So from here we have to select here the what I wanted to do. Actually I need to split and I have to give different material. And you can see here, this represent the exterior face and this side represent the interior face. So I'm just going to add split on the exterior face. So I select this one, then I can give here split region, then I keep the mouse pointer here and I can just simply place it where I need. Let's say so just click, so it is placed, it is splitted, see here. Now you select here finish 205, then you click here insert again, then you can choose finish 205 again, and I select here white material, white clad material I choose. So any material you can choose from here, or you can create your own material that we have learned already. The same way you create the material. Then we are not going to give the thickness here, because if I give the thickness, we are not going to create another layer here, so we don't want the thickness. Now I select this one, then you can see here assign layers, then I click over here. So you see here automatically it's turned into 15. Then you click OK and OK. So now you can see that your wall is splitted into two different material, correct? Again we select, click here edit type, edit. Now I just wanted to add some sweeps. So basically when you select the sweep, the sweep you can use to add something emboss on your or protruding on your wall surfaces, like skirting. Suppose you want to do the skirting, you have to do by this method. So you can select here Lord family and you can just go to the libraries. From the library you can select English Imperial. English Imperial means the unit will be coming in feet and inches. English metric also you can select it, but why I'm selecting English Imperial, the profile what I'm looking for, that is available only in Imperial, not in metric, so I'm selecting from here. Otherwise you can select it from English also. So go to the English Imperial US, you can select here the folder called profiles. I choose the profile folder and there you can see finish carpentry. There you can see the casing profile too. I select this one. Basically what is this profile? Currently these profiles are available in our Revit software. It's a library provided by the Autodesk. So currently I'm choosing from here, but later anyway in the family creation chapter we will learn how can we create this profile. So basically understand what is the profile and how it is work. Profile is a 2D sketch. It's not 3D, it's a 2D sketch. But when you associate this profile with the 3D elements, it's turned into a 3D. For example, same like sweep command in AutoCAD, you will be having a path and you will be having a profile. Then the profile will be extruded through the path. This is called the sweep. And here the path will be your 3D object and your profile will be your profile, what we are selecting over there. So I select here casing profile to OK, then click here add, and I can choose here. See here all the measurements are coming in interior because I have selected here, selected from the interior folder. So I select this and I can choose the material what I want. Let's say I choose the cherry material, then I click apply. So you can see here it is coming over there. You will be able to see. I click OK. See here the profile is coming over here. How that profile is decided to come over here? Why not here? Because you can see over there we have given, see you can just check casing profile, and you can choose over here. This is exterior. If you are selecting interior and you click apply, it comes in the interior side. So anyway, I need to get it in exterior side. Apply. Then again I add one more, and we choose here the casing profile 5 1/2 inch. Yes, and I have to choose the material. Then I will be giving the height. See here I'm just going to give here 1500 the distance. Then I click apply. So you can see that profile is coming over here, but I don't want the profile to be here. The profile height should be here on 1500. So what is the height of this profile? That you can find out from here, which is already mentioned here, 5 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to work out a formula here, equal to what is the total height is given for the split 1505 minus what is the height of our profile, 5 1/2 inch. Once you give 5 1/2 inch, automatically that's turned into metric, and you will be getting 1365.3. Then you click apply. So you can see that it is coming properly on it. Then click OK and OK. Yes, just wait, it's coming. Yes, see here how it is coming. It is embossing on the surfaces. So this is the same method you can use to create the skirtings or anything you wanted to seep through your wall. You can use this method. Now I select this again and will go to the edit type and click here edit, and you can see over here the reveal. I select the reveal, add, and you can select the profile from here, but I'll go with the default profile, and I give the height is 750. Then I click apply. So you can see that reveal is coming over there. So basically what is the reveal? What is the sweep we understood now? Reveal is just opposite. Reveal make cut, or it will be engraved to your wall surfaces. That means if you wanted to create something like grooves, you can create by this reveal. But I don't want to cut my complete wall over here, so I give here minus 135 or something like that, because the total our wall thickness is 150, and only I need to cut the finish. That finish was 15 something we given, so 150 minus 15, 135 I have given. Then click OK and OK. So once you've done this, you can see that in 750 from the floor level the grooves are created. This is called the reveals. So anyway, I don't want this reveal over here, so I can remove it. How can I remove it? I select edit, then you go to the reveal, select this one, and you can give over here delete, then click OK and OK. So this is my wall now, and I have created this wall as a stair support wall. So I just wanted to place this one as a stair support as a stair support. So I'll go to the level. Okay, I'll click over here. You can see we have a stair here. Here I need to use it as a support. So I need to hide this wall. Right click, hide in view elements. It's hidden. Then go to the level 1. You can select the wall, right click, create similar, or you can simply take it from there. Then I give here minus 30, finish face exterior, then I click from here and I drag up to here, and you can do up to here, right click, cancel. So we created. After you created this one, you go to the view and take the sections. Before taking that, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You can see here this wall. I just wanted to reach this wall up to the stairs. Normally when you select the wall is having the option attached to top base. That means you can attach the wall top to roof, wall top to floors, ceilings, but we cannot attach to the stairs. We can attach the roof, we can attach the ceiling, you can attach the floor, but we will not be able to attach the stairs. So what we will do, we will edit this wall by using the sketch method. So go to the section and click here and select it, then drag and place over here, then double click and open and select this is that wall, edit profile. I'll do one thing. Okay, I done here. I'll just close this one because I have to show you one more thing. Let's say you go to the level 1, so this one I just extend up to here because I just want to see that the other side wall, see this one. So this one I need to extend up to here. So I just double click, aligned, click on not this, click on this, aligned, this is that wall, click this and this, remove the constraints, then again click on modify edit path, pick lines here, here and here, then you can do the trim. Okay, so click finish. So that yes, see here it's not completely closed, so we have to see why it is. Pick lines and I have to do trim, finish. It's created. Now you go back to the level 1 and you can remove this, and we are going to create another sections over here. Then just double click the wall, again you can do pick lines, I do here, here and this side, and we have to do the trim, and this extra lines what we have that we can remove. So your sketch should be a closed sketch, that is important. Click finish. Then again you go to this and remove the sections. And the next section, how we need to create it, you have to create it from here to here, then select, double click and open, and you select edit profile and do the pick lines. Okay, then you can give here trim this and this, and here also we need pick lines, then I have to do the trim here, and you can remove this line, removed, and click finish. So let's say here it's not joined properly, yes, so I can just select a line from here to here, click finish. It has to be closed properly, like unjoin, then click finish, go to the 3D, and you can see now how that wall is fixed with the stairs. So that is the same way you can do the opposite side as well. Correct. So this is the method to create the basic wall. So when you go to the architecture, the wall, you can see here so many walls are coming under the basic wall criteria, but those walls are, these walls are already there, but if you wanted to create your own walls with your own material, this is the method to create that wall. Then the next one, stacked wall. So I'll turn, currently you can see this is hidden, so how can I unhide that? You click on in bottom, you can see the reveal hidden elements on the bottom bar. Click on that. So what you hide, that will be showing over here as a in pink color. So just right click, select, right click, and you can see unhide in view elements. Then you click close, it comes back. So now we have learned how to create basic wall. Next I'm going to show you how to create stacked walls. Then we have to discuss about the curtain walls. Curtain wall is little bit lengthy chapters. Currently, next I'm going to explain about the stacked wall. So to explain about stacked wall, I'll just remove this, and I can go to the wall. And normally when you open, you can see here down stack wall. By default you will be seeing only one wall, which is exterior brick over metal stud wall. This is the one previously I created. Normally only this wall will be there. So we select that wall and we placed it, and we will see here what is that wall. You go to the 3D views and you can see how that wall looks like. You select the wall, press the space and change the orientation. So you can see this wall, it's a normal wall only, but this is the wall with the different thickness. See here, this wall thickness and this wall thickness is different. How do they created this wall? Go to the edit type and go to the edit options. You can see this is the combination of two basic wall. And here the exterior block wall they given 900, that means it's a constant height of 900. And here we have a brick wall which is variable, that means that will be adjusted as per the height. So now I need to create my own wall. So I can select here and I can edit it, or I can remove it and directly I can do it. Let's say I remove this one, we will draw later. So I select here the wall and go to the stack wall, edit type, duplicate ST001, any name you can give, edit. And here I have to choose 140 mm masonry wall. I select and I give here 800 mm height. Then here I am choosing brick wall, which is 90 mm thickness. 90 mm brick wall I select. Then on top of that I insert one more. Again I can give here 140 mm masonry wall. Then that height also I given 800. So basically what is happening, like this many layers I can create it. You can see insert. If you wanted to add the variable, you can add variable insert. So normally we keep one as variable, the others are constant. Anyway, here currently it's created like this, 800 both the, start and end of the wall. 800 the constant value, which is 140 mm masonry wall, and brick wall inside, that is variable. So when the height change, when the wall height change, this will be changed. So but one more thing, now you see here it is aligned to the center. So you can choose that where it has to be aligned. It is aligned to the interior, that means interior face will be aligned, and you will be seeing the wall height thickness difference on exterior face. Or if you select finish face exterior, it is aligned to the exterior face and you will be seeing the difference on interior. So however you want, you can do it. Currently I do interior, that means I align to the interior and I just wanted to see the difference on exterior. Then click OK and OK. Now I'm going to draw this wall. and go to the 3D views. You can see that wall, how it is coming. See that wall? This wall is coming in bottom 800 and top 800, in between the height is coming. So in case if you select and you change the height of this wall into up to level 3 or level 4, whatever the level, wall height we change, you can see that the middle portion, the one which is variable, that will be changed, and the top and bottom will be keeping as it is. Top and bottom is as it is in the sense it's constant, and the middle portion is changing accordingly. So this is the way we create the stacked wall. So what the basic wall we have learned, and the stacked wall we learned. Stacked wall is a combination of 2 or more basic walls. Then the next one is curtain walls. In curtain walls, first we have 3 types of curtain walls. Like with mullions we have, only plain glass we have, and we have glazed wall. So anyway, we have to learn in detail how we create the curtain walls.